It's just freezing out this morning. Car says it's 14 degrees, which I definitely believe. It looks like it snowed, but it's just frost. It's crazy. So this morning I've just got to edit the Mount Shasta video and then drive into Bend and upload it, and then hopefully this evening I'll make it out to some pretty cool lakes and shoot the sunset. Video's uploaded now, and I'm gonna head back west towards the Cascade Lakes and hopefully make it there by sunset. Try to get some nice pictures. Didn't think there would be snow back here, but there is, which is awesome. I had to descend a little bit to get down here to the lake, so most of the snow is gone, but it's still nice. Lake's definitely a little bit low, basically the same situation as in the last video with that tiny little lake up by Mount Shasta. It's still very pretty here though. I think because the water level is so low and it's kind of everything is sort of half whatever it is. Like it's kind of snowy but not really. The lake is kind of has water in it but not really. It's kind of cloudy. I think in general with photography you don't want that, you know, you want the full-on snowstorm or the crazy sunset clouds, the overflowing waterfalls, you know, events that are kind of filled to the max. And it's a very pretty spot here, but it's just kind of the opposite of what's going on, unfortunately. So I think because the conditions are just not really ideal right now, my best bet is to probably just hang out tonight. Sun is almost set already. So I'll probably wake up tomorrow morning before sunrise and then drive higher up, get into the areas where it's really snowy, and just try to get some more sort of intimate shots of the trees and the snow and just all those nice sort of pretty landscapes up there, and hopefully still be able to come up with something pretty decent. Around for a nice snowy road or a good viewpoint or something, but just having trouble finding it. Sunrise is in about 20 minutes now, and it is 9 degrees outside. I want to drive up the road to Mount Bachelor, but I can't. See, I think all the snow when it comes in, it comes from the west. And so it coats the trees on the west side of the mountain, but not really on the east side where I am now. I just didn't really see anything I was liking on the west side. That's where the lake was last night. I just don't really know where to go at this point. I think I kind of put myself in a winter mode, and now that it's not really wintry down here, kind of lost hope. Just going back west now, using a lot of gas, but hopefully it's worth it. See, this viewpoint here looking down the road like almost works, but it just doesn't quite line up for a photo. I can't seem to find anything over this way either. I hate giving up on a shot, but I'm not seeing anything right now, and it's even worse because it's such an awesome area around here. There's mountains and new snow, but I don't know, none of it just seemed to really line up, at least that I could find. I guess I reached the end of the road for this episode. Didn't come up with anything, obviously, but it's the way it goes sometimes, and in landscape photography, you just can't really control that a lot of the time, unfortunately. But just gonna spend today editing this video and uploading it, and then hopefully tomorrow continue heading north and go visit some pretty cool waterfalls. So thanks for watching. Sorry I couldn't come up with any good shots in this one, but I'll catch you guys in the next one.